Do-it-yourself commercial real estate. Why shouldn't I just try and do my own negotiating on my commercial transaction? In this video, I'm going to answer a question I get all the time. Why shouldn't I just try and do my own negotiation on my commercial transaction? I get this question a lot because it's honestly a fair question. But first, I'm Nick Zager with Mirlo Real Estate Partners. Our channel is dedicated to educating business owners about commercial real estate so that they can make the best decisions for their businesses. We are a commercial real estate agency specializing in tenant representation, meaning we only represent business owners instead of landlords and sellers, so there are no potential conflicts of interest. So please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. The do-it-yourself method for commercial real estate is a mistake many tenants and buyers actually try. Unfortunately, most of these business owners realize fairly quickly that they are not well equipped to fully vet out alternatives, which in return makes it difficult to feel confident they chose the best space. However, the biggest regret most of these business owners have is that they are not sure they are receiving the best possible terms and are likely leaving money on the table. In my previous life as a landlord's agent, I remember the first 3 questions the landlord would ask at the beginning of each negotiation. They were, number 1, does the tenant have an agent? And does the tenant know the market? And is the tenant willing to leave? In commercial real estate, you typically only get one chance at negotiations every 5, 7, or 10 years. So needless to say, making a mistake is very costly and it can impact your business for several years, not to mention wasting countless hours of your valuable time. In this game, there are no do-overs. You can't correct a misstep next month and rent a better space at a lower price. Once you sign, you are locked in and you will need to wait until your lease will soon expire again to renegotiate and fix the problem, only to hope that next time will be better. Bringing in a commercial broker who specializes in tenant representation with experience in your area is better than going at it alone. However, if you wait too long after you try to do it on your own, the harder it is for your agent to correct the issues and reset the transaction. Additionally, you may have wasted valuable time to vet other options, making it challenging to find a decent backup option. It is the agent's job to win you the best terms, and bringing them into the deal late only hinders their ability to do the job you hired them to do. Since the landlord is a professional real estate negotiator, and most tenants only do this several times in their career, the risks of making a mistake and messing up a commercial real estate transaction are high. And these mistakes typically cost tenants tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars over the course of their lease. Don't make the same mistake less educated and unsophisticated tenants make. You can save yourself a lot of time and energy by hiring the most qualified representation from the start. Commercial agents know the process intimately and can achieve the most favorable terms in the marketplace. Commercial real estate is incredibly complex, and if you aren't an insider, good information is incredibly difficult to come by. In my practice, I am always learning and growing, and I like to diligently serve my clients and provide them with the best tools to make the right decisions for their business's real estate. So if you have any specific questions or comments about anything I've said, feel free to contact me directly by email or phone, or leave a comment below. And if you found value or liked the video and would like more information about how to properly navigate the commercial real estate world, check out these other videos. Again, I'm Nick Zager with Mirlo Real Estate Partners, and I can't wait to connect with you again.